Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, if y'all don't know, I love Pokemon. That might be a hint to what we're doing today. So this is the back. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Peyton, and if you're new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell. So this is the front. There's a token and 2 packs and 3 open cards. So we're just gonna get this open. My dad already opened it a tiny bit. We're gonna do the packs last.
What are the open ones?
The open ones are these. We got this.
You got a Morpeko Hollow.
Got a token. That looks like Bowser. I know it's Charizard.
Applin.
I almost said
Hollow.
Charmander. That's Charizard, but I always think that it looks like Bowser, kind of.
Charizard.
Doesn't it look
Token.
like Bowser?
A little bit.
Guys, you know how much I love Pokemon? So much that sometimes I keep the packs and everything. Sometimes
Snorlax
I might
Hollow.
keep this.
And then
Snorlax
2
Hollow.
packs.
Yep. Which pack do you want to do first, Daddy?
Let me see them.
Do you want the chilling? I can't read them.
Chilling Rain or Fusion Strike?
Wait.
Do Chilling Rain first.
Alright. This one?
Yep.
Chilling Rain?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably going to take me a couple seconds to open this. I just started liking Pokemon. Can't wait till see the front. I already saw it, but... Alright.
Can't really taste the tickles.
Should I do 3? Okay. First, we got a trainer. I choked. We got a trainer, Fiona?
Peonia.
Peonia. So we got Peonia. We got
Raboot.
Raboot. Yep. I have another one like that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to show them all my Pokemon cards at the end. Then we got a trainer.
Agatha.
Yeah, Agatha. This is Rattles.
Ralts.
Ralts. Then we got Cast Form.
Cast Form, that's
Cast
right.
Form,
And that's his rainy form.
This is Weather Reader. So that's him. Oh, there's another one that's from, you know,
Snover.
where? Whap Down. What? I have this card. This is
Yamask.
Yamask.
Coughing.
Alright, so then we got Coughing. Then we got the Rattles. But in its,
Reverse Hollow.
yeah. It is reversed hollow. So we got a reverse hollow.
And
then-
base.
Yeah. And then we got an energy and
What is that one?
this one.
Obama Snow.
Alright, let's
Let me
take
see Obama Snow.
this one out. We'll take all these out.
Obama Snow.
We're taking all the ones out that I want. And then we'll put this one there.
What are you doing, Sandy? Murder video.
She was sitting, she didn't want to be in the video.
Mimi's in all your videos now.
I know.
You're supposed to come use more roach.
Can't let y'all see the front. Smells disgusting.
See, I
This
told
food
you,
smells
this would have done when we were trying to eat.
Smells disgusting.
Don't pit it.
What would I have done when we were trying to eat? All right, what you got?
When I taught you better.
So we got Silgo. Put all these in a stack. Put all the ones that you want to put in a card.
We'll go through after.
Then we got claw lizard.
Clawitzer.
We got a trainer, and it is spongy gloves.
Spongy gloves.
And then we got this one. I don't know its name.
Indeedy.
We got one that looks like a tiger. Like that.
Growlithe.
This is our third one today. That's from.
Phalanx.
You know they're like different, and they're from like the packs thing.
Mm-hmm.
Is this the other pack? We got. I think. Oh, I thought that was a trainer. First.
Morpeko.
We got
Smeargle.
a reverse hollow.
I can't see that.
Reverse hollow.
Victini. Reverse
got
hollow.
This. It's an energy.
Energy. And what's that last one? Is that a beast?
Da, 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 da.
Ooh, let me see.
I'm gonna go get my other ones. You can look.
Mew VMAX. Fusion Strike. That is cool. VMAX. Okay,
Those are
go.
the ones that are supposed to be.
One on the floor.
Alright. So I got a whole folder full of these. So we got the two big ones. Then we have some empty. These are all for card savers. So first we got some Pikachu. We got a Pikachu. I can't see because we got two. We got a trainer. We got two trainers. We got a reverse hollow.
When did she start collecting Pokemon?
About a month ago.
Then we got 3 energies.
Just turn. I'm showing them all of them.
Yeah. That one looks like my cousin. Then we got these.
Sorry, Archie.
And this
And the
one.
one you got today is the VMAX Mew.
Yes. Alright. You want to show them in the card savers?
Nope.
Alright. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, smash that like button. And I hope we get 2 million likes on this video. So, I hope everybody has a good rest of the month or whatever. And right now when I'm taking the video, it is summer, so I guess it's a summer for y'all. So bye guys!